Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to remove Bixby from your power button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So when you are pressing the power button on your phone, so at that time guys, it will launching Bixby feature on your phone, as you can see guys. Now we will going to remove it. To do this guys, first you need to open your phone settings. Okay, in the phone settings, scroll down and find out advanced feature. Okay, just open it, and here you can get the option side key. Just tap and open it, and here you can get the option press and hold. It will set by default wake Bixby. Okay, now we will set it to power off menu. So when you press your power button, now it will ask you to shut down, restart your Samsung phone, as you can see guys. So from here you can easily able to remove the Bixby from your power button on your Samsung phone. This is the very easy and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.